Hi everyone, this is Dr. Andrew Krause, ND here from Fullscript, and I wanted to show you the new treatment plan tool, but specifically the search and how you add products. And so adding products is quite straightforward. On every single treatment plan page will be this button at the bottom of the treatment plan, and once you click on it, it'll open up the drawer that allows you to see the catalog and find the products you're looking for. The products that we show immediately here are your frequently prescribed products. You've recommended them to patients before, and based on how frequently you've recommended them, you'll see products rise to the top. So the idea is the more that you recommend a product, the more we want to make that an easy path for you to find that product and add it to another treatment plan. Outside of that, the most important thing to understand in the search experience is how the search bar works. And so it can look for something like probiotics. And the option that comes up here, I'm looking for a category of products. I want to find products that are of the type probiotics. When you see this purple leaf label and you see the label supplement type, that'll tell you that you're in a supplement type. So I can click on that. And now I'm seeing results that are probiotics. Outside of that, if I want to look for a brand, I can type in a brand that I know. Let's say I'm looking for Pure Encapsulations. I can click on Pure Encapsulations again, the blue icon with the label brand. And now I'm seeing products that are from the brand Pure Encapsulations. Something new that we've added to the treatment plan tool is the ability to combine multiple brands in the search results. So let's say I want to find a product that's from Pure Encapsulations or Designs for Health. Again, I can search from the drop-down, the blue label and the brand icon. And now I'm seeing products that are either from Pure Encapsulations or Designs for Health. If I want to clear a search, I can just click this clear all button to the right. So now let's look for an ingredient. So I'm going to type in magnesium into the search bar. And if I just press enter here, I'm going to be searching for products that are named magnesium, or I can isolate down to any one of these results to find products that contain magnesium, but aren't necessarily named magnesium. So I'll click on that top magnesium, and now I'm looking for magnesium over 0 milligrams. If I want to change the dose, I can change it here, click on the 0, let's choose 100. So now I'm looking for any product that contains magnesium over 100 milligrams a serving. So that's great. I can also add an additional ingredient here by clicking on the plus ingredient. Let's say I want to look for a calcium. So we're looking for a product that contains magnesium over 100 milligrams, and let's say calcium over 200 milligrams. Cool. If I wanted to refine the kind of magnesium that I wanted, I could click on the actual name of magnesium here. You'll notice that this little arrow comes up, and I can choose any kind of subtype of magnesium. Similarly, I can do the same thing for calcium. In this case, we're not going to do that subtype. But there you go. You can combine any number of ingredients that you want. And so this could be a combination of minerals, vitamins, herbs, other agents. The whole idea here is to make it as flexible as you want. So if your patient has a very specific need, you can look for that product. A lot of the times you're going to have that product. Obviously, sometimes it's not going to be there, but you have the full ability to refine your search in whatever way is important to you and to your patient. And another way of refining searches, aside from just the ingredients themselves, is by these filters that we have. And so one new feature that we have is this ability to find products that are in stock. And so I can click on that in stock label, and you'll notice that right now the prenatal is there, it's on back order. And by clicking on the in stock product, you'll notice that it removes the back ordered product. So the idea is that it removes back ordered and unavailable and discontinued products that are in the search results. Sometimes you'll still see one persist, and that's because like another size of the product is still available. But for the most part, it's just going to clear them out entirely from search results. You can also do other refining by choosing the form, allergens, and certifications to your heart's content. From there, if you just wanted to browse brands, you can click on this brand section and see, first of all, the popular top brands that we have, and then just look at the A to Z list side to side as you can go on. I'm just going to clear this search result. Next, we're going to show you the favorites section. So I can click on this favorites tab up here. And the first view that we give you is a list of all of your favorites across all of the different favorites categories that you had. This was something that actually came in recommended through the feedback that we've been gathering prior to doing this build. There was commentary before about how you had to know exactly where a product was in which category. And let's say in this case, we've got 20 odd categories and more. And so if I wanted to understand where a product was and I didn't necessarily remember, I couldn't easily find it. Whereas here, you can browse through it. And so if I do want to refine down to a specific category, let's say I want to find my adrenal support favorites category, I can still do that entirely. So we're making it flexible to kind of give that full master list of products while also giving you the ability to refine down to the specific category that you're looking for. The other way of adding products is to search by the patient history. And so here we have Julie Andrews loaded. I can click on patient history, and you'll see the list of all of the active prescriptions for Julie. I can click on this bar and you'll notice that it pops out the message, the attachment, and the products that you prescribed previously. You can add these one-off, or you can add all products at once. And you can also choose to add the document at the same time. So it's making your overall experience of building off of an old treatment plan as easy as you'd like it to be. Or you can undo whichever products or attachments that you want to revert on overall. So that just about finishes the rundown of the new search experience overall. If you have any questions, then by all means reach out to our team. And we're always going to be focusing on making improvements. So if you do have feedback about how you think it can be better, please do let us know.